It's Data East Repair Day here at Chris Hibbler's Pinball, and this one had quite a bit more alkaline corrosion, and so I've abated all that and then conformal coated it. We've got an NVRAM installed, and I don't know if I had to change that socket or not. I probably did. I know I had to take the crystal off and all those surrounding parts in the upper left-hand corner. And there were a couple of tip 102s that were dripped on by the corrosion, so I replaced those. Those are the ones with the gold stripe on top of them. Special solenoid section of this board looks quite nice. Oh, this one also had a failed 6802 at this location, so I've taken care of that also. So let's put it into test. I had to press that 4 times because they're so proud of that message. It irritates me. Now, I do have a soundboard connected. Let's see if we can get to some sounds that you can hear.
Hey man, we're both underachievers.
By now, you guys are probably as tired of hearing about the Simpsons sound as I am. The Simpsons pinball party's got a shout out or a call out. It says, "You're a very skillful player for a child." Or no, that's not Simpsons. That's in Family Guy, I think. All right, let's go across the diagonal of the switch matrix. Excellent. I'm going to skip that active switch, go right to all lamps. And those are operating properly. Rows, columns, individual lamps, can skip the rest of that. Flashers, coils, special solenoids simultaneously. Always have to watch for that top green one on the left side. And now the CPU will drive the special solenoids. Excellent. That is it. We'll reboot. Blanking will come on. And this CPU board is good to go. Thank you so much.